how to watch YouTube and use other apps as well. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube and use other apps simultaneously. Now the process itself is quite simple. Now what you'll need to do is you can either have the YouTube Premium where your PIP mode or the picture-in-picture mode will be enabled, right? Or if you don't have the premium, what you can do is you can simply open up YouTube, play a video, then head into background apps option where you'll be able to use the open up the YouTube in background. On the background open apps option, tap and hold on YouTube, and then you can see drop here for pop-up view option. You can tap on it, and now you can see I have YouTube open up here on the PIP mode, and I can open it as well, and on the background here I can open up any other apps as well. So this way you can watch YouTube and use other apps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.